Vivo iQOO Z9 series launches. There are three smartphones in the lineup, namely iQOO Z9x, iQOO Z9, iQOO Z9 Turbo. iQOO Z9 Turbo and Z9 feature 6.78-inch AMOLED displays with FHD plus 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. Both phones pack 16MP front-facing cameras and embedded fingerprint scanners. Z9x gets a 6.72-inch IPS LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate and an 8MP selfie cam. Z9 Turbo and Z9 house 50MP LYT 600 main sensors, with the former also getting an 8MP ultra-wide lens. Z9x comes with a 50MP main shooter and 2MP depth sensor. Z9 Turbo is the most capable performer out of the bunch thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage UFS 4.0. All three phones boot Origin OS 4 based on Android 14 and come with IP64 rated dust and water resistant, while the battery capacity will be 6000 mAh with 80W wired charging. iQOO Z9 Turbo starts at 1,999 Chinese yuan and it's 12/256 GB. iQOO Z9 starting price of 1,499 Chinese yuan. iQOO Z9x starts at 1,299 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.